Prynhawn dda. I hope that you're all keeping well. Today, the First Minister has provided new details as some of these stay-at-home lockdown regulations will be eased from Monday. I'd encourage you to read this information, and I've included a helpful link in the tweet above. I want to make it clear that the situation for education in Wales has not changed today and will not change this weekend, so please be mindful before sharing anything else you see on social media. And please, share this message with anyone who you think needs to hear it. My team and I continue to work closely with our local authorities, our teaching unions, scientists and education staff to decide on the next steps for education in Wales, and it's my intention to update further on our plans next week, and I will keep you all as informed as and when things change. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for the sacrifices that you've all made throughout the early stages of lockdown. I know it has been really hard, but it's more important than ever that you continue to follow the guidance, including staying 2 metres apart and maintaining good hand hygiene. Together, by staying local, we can keep Wales safe. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.